Okay, let's have a look at the Lum Lum Solar 60. It's a portable but solar panel. Let's have a look inside the box. So we've got the pack here. Let's see what we've got on the inside. A little package. We've got the instruction manual, the connector cable, and a full array of 5 connections, depending on what you're using it for. Opening up the solar panel, really easy. Stored together with a bunch of clips on the back. So there's a clip 1, 2. You can open it up and be ready to use it straight away. So, not only being a great solar panel, it has a few output ports which are really useful. You've got the 2 USBs and a USB-C, plus for this connector, multiple options to connect various types of portable power stations. As you can see here, we've got a USB-C, we're going to plug that in, and then we can plug it directly into our laptop. If that's not enough and you're thinking your phone's gone flat, you can grab an iPhone cable or an Android cable or any other cable, even if you've still got one of those old Nokia Lumias, and you can plug it in there, charge your laptop, charge your phone, charge your friend's phone and your power station all at the same time.